Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to discuss pricing for ClickFunnels. If you go to a search engine and you write in ClickFunnels pricing, you're going to come up with some options. And once you do that, you can go to the result that says clickfunnels.com/signup chart. And you're going to click that link. Once you do, you'll see the difference in the trial versions. You'll notice that both come with a 14-day free trial at $97 and $297. You'll notice a difference between number of funnels, pages, and visitors. The main difference is that you will get statistical analysis of your email as well as automation with Actionetics, as well as the ability to create your own affiliate program using Backpack. As well, with the $97 version, you can do 1 billing integration, and with the advanced version, you can do 3 billing integrations per type. But everything else in terms of core functionality is the same between $97 and $297. Now also in the search results, you'll see that there is what they call a 6-month discount plan. And basically, when you get this option, you'll get some instruction on how to use ClickFunnels, especially with respect to strategy, and then you'll get access to 6 months of the program for $997. Obviously, that is the full $297 version. And one of the ways you can offset the cost is if you are an affiliate, you can promote ClickFunnels to your existing subscriber list or your audience. So once you've decided which level to go forward with, you can click the 14-day free trial and then get started. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.